Good morning. It's 6:30 and Mike and I are getting ready to take on the 3 Cities Challenge. Today we are going to ride to 3 different cities in just one day. We're going to start in our hometowns of Durham and Oxford before meeting up at City 2 in the middle, which is Manchester, and then heading over together to Chester. Let's go.
Oh, so in the sun it's quite warm, in the shade it's not.
Just crossing the bridge into town now. I like this bridge. It's got a boathouse underneath it.
Alright.
Where you can rent your punting on the river.
Oh.
And for anybody not familiar with what punting is, basically like a romanticized skiff that you push through the water with a big stick. Genius mode of transport.
I'll be a rapid response vehicle, that one.
I can't go down Oxford High Street, but I should be able to go down a few little back roads if I don't kill this cyclist first. There we go. Cobbled street, so it's like doing off-roading.
Yeah. Off-roading was something slightly less soft to land than.
Well, it's off-roading was trying not to get hit by a car and pedestrians. That's good.
Yeah, I was going to try and get right up next to my point of interest, but that is Cobble Street. That will be. Right. Oh, that was my friend. Yeah, wet and probably getting quite busy quite quickly up there. And apparently, it was first water main yesterday, so actually I think the whole road's closed. Quite pleased they didn't do that.
The road's closed?
Yeah. Well, I think the whole marketplace is closed because, water gets out to the floor. Well, whilst you're figuring out that mistake, I'm driving at Watts Park, which is lovely. And it starts with this quite steep hill round the bend, which I've been sort of building up in my head for the last day or so. 1093 is when it was built.
Right.
And the Sanctuary Knocker, there's a replica on the front of the cathedral now. It did tell me where the other one actually is. But that came to a monk in a dream where St. Martin arrived and said, "You've got to do this thing and give people 37 days worth of sanctuary if they make it to the door." And they had monks there was 2 rooms above the door, so they had monks that were there all of the time, and they basically are lookouts for people coming in. And then, so if you'd committed a crime, cathedral. If you'd committed a crime, then you'd get 37 days worth of sanctuary there, where you could try and deal with your issue. Speak to the people you've upset, your accusers, and try and come to some sort of resolution, or plan your escape. 37 days, freedom, and then do something else. Yeah. Well, that is the cathedral. They don't do that anymore.
They don't know? I wonder what made them change their minds. I feel like, actually, that doesn't seem right.
Yeah, I think there's actually a date for it. It was abolished in like 15 something, but my history isn't that good. But yeah, Durham Cathedral.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
Yeah, it's pretty stunning.
Yeah. So this college actually has a deer park somewhere in the grounds.
Right.
Which is just insane. Just deer frolicking around.
Yeah.
While people study. Yeah, big boast.
It's not a bad one.
like every single person is trying to go down this road, and this guy... Oh, it's my problem, is it, mate?
You upsetting the locals?
This guy wanted to do a U-turn. I was in blame. I mean, it's only fucking 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm pissing people off.
Well, you're not a morning person. Maybe it's just a vibe you give.
I must say. I'm really looking forward to a drink, you know.
yeah, fair enough.
Motorbikes, fine. Camera equipment,
Yeah, this could be the B-roll. Please subscribe as you can see how we just blunder about, rocking it up. Wow. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to this fun trip from Oxford and Durham to Manchester. We're still going. I don't know how long I've been riding for. It's been quite a while. So it's been quite nice. I mean, I blasted down the A1 for a little bit, which is dull. But I came off Ripon and then went through some little villages and ended up going through the Yorkshire Dales, which was really quite nice. This bit's slightly less nice. It's lots of roads converging and cars and stuff, and slightly less trees and sheep. But yeah, it's been pretty good. It's not slightly cold. Hey, where are you up to? What's going on? How's your journey been?
It's been pretty good. Hello, cycle friends. Yeah, went up M40, same as you, kind of just got mile munching underway and was there forever at Birmingham as usual. But come off just after Derby and now I'm in the Peak District. We've got some really lovely roads, the sun's out, which is lovely because it's freezing. And I've seen lots and lots of bikers all having a nice dry ride out, which has been good for everybody. So yeah, according to my thing, I've done 120 miles today. Must mean we're just over halfway. Still en route to city number 2. So yeah, it's good. I'm looking forward to some lunch.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a drink.
There you go. Watch this car, man.
You're just ruining the moment! Ruining it!
Ruining it. Cars, man.
What an arse.
We'll have that in. Hey. Intercept. First bump. Oh yeah.
Oh, we're going right round.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, Mike. Give us a heads up.
Hi, friend.
Hello, hug. So, I need food and coffee. And then we should make a quick plan of where we are going.
Holy shit. Dude, come in. Do you want to push back in front of them? Oh, yeah. Come on, hey. Oh, brilliant. You think we're all going to move? Where do you want to be? There. We'll deal with that with noise. Oh, I see.
So we are in the last leg of our 3 cities challenge. As you can see, it got dark, and it's getting very cold. But we are now on our way to Chester, having just come from Manchester. Covered about 208 miles now, and we are in the last 15 minutes of the journey. So hopefully we'll roll into Manchester when it is looking very picturesque in the night. And then get to a restaurant, pub, and refuel ourselves, because I'm definitely feeling pretty tired and pretty hungry now. How are you doing?
I'm okay. I was just thinking about journeys at this time of night that we've done before. I'm pretty sure I came back from Northwich at some, obviously within the speed limit, but at this time of night, when I was absolutely freezing, and I was thinking about what you think is acceptable kit when you start riding a bike, how quick, and when that changes. So I'm pretty warm, I've got pretty decent stuff on here. All of the Revit H2O sand stuff, which is good. It's versatile. It's got a waterproof layering you can take out. It's got a thermal layer you can take out. It's got gloves that are alright. But yeah, there was definitely points when I've been riding around and just absolutely frozen because you're just not wearing the right stuff.
There is also an art to layering, which I definitely didn't appreciate when I was younger. And now is absolutely vital. But yeah, what's the temperature now?
6 degrees at 60 miles an hour.
So yeah, a bit nippy.
Yeah, certainly is. But very pretty. And I don't know how well it's going to come out on the camera, but the skyline here is just tremendous.
That's wonderful, isn't it?
Oh, Godson! Godson!
Just burned through 50 quid worth of fuel. Good for you, Range Rover. Right then, Chester City Centre. Where are you?
Really?
That looks old ahead.
Well, this is it, Neen. We're in Chester.
About bloody time.
Yeah, it's been a journey, but you know, it's dark. We can't see anything. But it's here we've done all 3 cities in one day.
Where's that drink?
We'll get you that drink. That's next on the to-do list.
I appreciate that. Thank you.